In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and tapping on this little icon with a sun located next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by hitting the same tile again. You can also go into settings, click on display and brightness, and then tap on the switcher next to auto brightness feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!